Sir Francis, can you tell us more or ano ba itong Azure
Azure.
Technologies na ito?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Well, Azure, before it stands for that, no, Universal Structural Health Evaluation Recording System, which was actually the title of our research project way back at Mapua University. But now we call the company Azure, and simply it means to bring forth something new. No? So kasi nasa landscape kami ng innovation, technology, innovation, kaya we say we bring forth something new. And that's the objective of Azure, to bring forth something new or technologies in the area of disaster prevention. So nag-umpisa po ito na isang research project sa Mapua University na pinondohan ng Department of Science and Technology through the council which we call PSHERD, at pinondahan nito for commercialization. Kaya naging isang ganap na po ito na separate entity, which is we call it a spin-off company, or somewhat similar with the startup company na tinatawag natin. Na yung mga researchers po, kami po yung nagpatuloy nito para mag-isang ganap na company na ang purpose po ay para makatulong sa pagpapaunlad at pag-deploy ng mga disaster prevention technology tulad ng itong earthquake recording instrument po.